Hey there, we at Tactiq like to bring new updates to you project managers out there, especially those of you in an Agile team. Anytime I'm finishing up a meeting, as I don't take notes, don't need to with Tactiq, I always check out my Tactiq notes and go to the AI meeting tools section under quick prompts and end up checking out some important prompts that are built into the platform. As you can see, for me in here, there are a myriad of different project options, like this Team Sync project updates one. And how this is better than a lot of other tools is that I can press one button and get a extremely quick recap without needing to type anything in. As you can see right here, some project updates is that we had 3 discovery calls for next week. There was no upcoming events or deadlines mentioned in the meeting, and it has some notes for action items, next steps, and notes and key takeaways. Now, not only that, but there are also a bunch of other different options for different project management situations. For example, if you are in a daily stand-up meeting, you can use this one, which essentially will give you a quick overview of a couple different aspects like info about yesterday, today, and any blockers that happened and the time steps they happened in. Other ones would include things like project management for a quick one-on-one. This essentially will break down different talking points, action items, and notes from the meeting of a one-on-one. You also have a project management retrospective quick prompt. In this one, it'll dive into just the key meeting takeaways and give a quick retrospective on the meeting and what it was about. And we have a few more, including project management status update. So this will basically give you a status update as to the project that you may have discussed during a meeting, since this is more project management focused. If you're in a meeting and talking about projects, it'll talk about the accomplishments, what will be next, any blockers that came up, and then the current timeline. As you can see, there were a couple different aspects. Talked about where video basics and thumbnail templates need to be brought to me by next week, as well as another video and thumbnail creation need to be worked on. And it even brings up some next steps and action items, which were in fact what we talked about. Then there is one for blockers. So if you're just trying to figure out what necessarily there was blockers wise for the meeting that you're in. For me, we didn't really have any during this meeting. And last but not least, this is a project management, new tickets for project management tracking apps, which essentially can be used to take this, and you can obviously copy this text in any way that you want or edit it, but it gives you a title, description, the assignee, and the due date. This makes it really easy to just figure out, okay, what tasks and action items do I need to put in like a project management system? Quickly take and copy these out and input it into the proper systems that you have. Like for me, I use Notion or whatever works best for you. I just love how I didn't need to take any notes, and all of these different aspects of my meeting are figured out in the snap of a finger. And I'm able to just really enjoy a much better meeting experience by focusing and not having to worry about typing it up. So if you like this update, make sure to check out Tactiq today and check out more content like this video on how to improve your skills using Tactiq even more.